Welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the topic of the Deepwell pump. These powerful units are essential for moving products like chemicals, refined oils, and even liquefied gases in modern tankers. Unlike submerged pumps in tanks with separate drive shafts, a Deepwell cargo pump is a self-contained vertical unit installed directly within the cargo tank. The operational principle is elegant and efficient for cargo transport. The pump's motor is typically located on the deck, safely away from the cargo and protected by a cofferdam or a gas-tight seal. This motor drives a vertical shaft that extends down through a column pipe all the way to the pump impellers situated at the bottom of the cargo tank. This design keeps the shaft and bearings lubricated and cooled by the cargo itself, or, in some designs, by a separate sealing fluid. Starting the pump is straightforward and ensures reliable operation under tough conditions. After priming, if required, the deck motor is engaged. The impeller spins, creating a low-pressure area at its eye, which draws the liquid cargo in. Centrifugal force accelerates the cargo outward, building pressure as it moves toward the discharge volute. The fluid is then pushed up the discharge line, through the deck manifold, and off the ship. A critical component of Deepwell pumps is their ability to efficiently move different types of cargo, ensuring effective operations. A critical component is the stripping system. As the tank level drops, a Deepwell pump must handle the mixture of liquid and air efficiently to ensure the tank is completely emptied, minimizing residues and contamination between cargoes. Many Deepwell systems achieve excellent stripping by maintaining a steady flow through the pump foot valve and sometimes incorporating a small stripping educator or a dedicated stripping impeller stage at the very bottom of the pump assembly. Controlling the pump is typically managed from the cargo control room, where operators monitor pressures, temperatures, and flow rates. Safety interlocks are crucial. For instance, the pump will automatically trip if the discharge pressure becomes too high or if the motor temperature exceeds safe limits. When handling hazardous chemicals, the design of the Deepwell pump ensures no leak points release vapors to the atmosphere. The pump's column acts as a primary barrier, preventing exposure and ensuring safe cargo operations. For liquefied gas carriers, Deepwell pumps are vital because they can handle extremely low temperatures and maintain the cargo in its liquid state efficiently, meeting the needs of specialized cargoes. Their ease of maintenance, with the motor and sometimes the entire rotating element being removable from the top, makes them a preferred choice for high-specification vessels. Deepwell pumps offer reliability and efficiency for diverse cargo operations globally. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you for watching and supporting the channel.